Welcome to another video lecturer. In this video lecturer, I am going to discuss about the numericals on belt drive. Before we consider the numericals, let's see. So what are the formulas required? There are two varieties of belt drive. One is called as open belt drive, another is cross belt drive. We need a formula to calculate the length of the belts and velocity ratio. One suffix is used to the parameters which are connected with the driving shaft or the pulley. Two is the suffix which is related to the driven pulley or the shaft. X is the center distance between the two pulleys. Let's consider the problem number 1. A shaft running at 100 rpm is to drive a parallel shaft at 200 rpm. Their central distance is 3 meter. The pulley on the driving shaft is 40 centimeter in diameter. Find number 1 is the diameter of the driven pulley. Number 2 is velocity ratio. Third is length of belt for open belt drive. The fourth one is linear velocity of the belt. Let's calculate what the data is given here. Data given here is the driving pulley is running at a speed of 100 rpm. Driven pulley is running at a 200 rpm. Diameter of the driving pulley is given 40 centimeter. The distance between them is 3 meters. So let's calculate the velocity ratio, which is equal to n1 by n2. That is nothing but ratio between the speeds of driving pulley to the driven pulley. That is 100 by 200, which is equal to 1 by 2. So velocity ratio is 1:2. To know the diameter of the driven pulley, again we make use of the formula. Velocity ratio is equal to n1 by n2. We know this is equal to d2 by d1. So it is 100 divided by 200, which is equal to d2 by d1. So hence d2 is equal to 100 by 200 multiplied by d1, that is 40. These two just cancelled and d2 comes out to be 20 centimeter. Next is length of the belt, that is L is equal to, we know the formula, pi is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R1 minus R2 whole square divided by X plus 2 into X. So this is nothing but pi into 40 centimeter. So R1 is 20 centimeter. Diameter of the driven pulley is 20 centimeter. It is radius is 10 centimeter. Plus R1 is 20 minus 10 whole square divided by 3 meter. I am writing in terms of centimeter. So hence it is 300. Again it is 2 into 300. So let's calculate this. Pi into 20 plus 10 is 30 plus into the bracket 10 whole square divided by 300, close the bracket, plus 2 into 300 equal to. So the length of the belt comes out to be 694.5 centimeters. 694.58 centimeters is the length of the belt. You can convert this into meter also by dividing it by 100. Okay. Let's try to calculate what is the linear velocity. So linear velocity is nothing but it is pi d1 into n1. So which is equal to pi multiplied by 40 centimeter. I am going to convert it into meters. So I am going to divide it by 100 and n1 is 100. Let's calculate this. Pi into bracket 40 divided by 100, close the bracket, multiply by 100. So the value comes out to be here is 125.66. So this is equal to 125.66. Remember, it is in terms of meters per minute. Let's consider one more numerical. Two parallel shafts 6 meters apart are provided with 300 mm and 400 mm diameter pulleys and are connected by cross belt. The direction of rotation of the follower is to be reversed by changing over to open belt drive. How much length of the belt should be changed? Let's see what data is given in this numerical. So data given here is the x distance is 6 meters, it is given, and the diameter, that is d1, is equal to 300 mm and d2 is given as 400 mm. There is a shift is there from cross belt to the open belt. In doing so, what change in belt we have to consider? This is the question. Change of length. So for that, let's calculate the length of the belt when it is cross belt and when it is open belt. Okay. So let's say that one, it is this side I am going to calculate the open belt. This side I am going to calculate it at the cross belt. So L is equal to, I know, pi into R1 plus R2 plus R1 minus R2 whole square divided by X plus 2 into X. Whereas for the cross belt, it will be pi into R1 plus R2 plus R1 plus R2 whole square by X plus 2 into X. Let's substitute the values. Pi. So 300 means here it is 150. Then it is 200 mm plus it is 150 minus 200 whole square, and 6 meters, when you convert it into mm, it will be 6000 plus twice the 6000. So similarly for the cross belt, again it is pi into 150 plus 200 plus 150 plus 200 whole square by 6000 plus 2 into 6000 mm, because I am putting it in terms of meter mm. So when you calculate it, so it comes out to be 13099.97 mm, When you convert into to meter, it is about 13.09 meters. Similarly, when you calculate it, which I have shown how to calculate in the previous problem, in a similar way using the calculator to calculate it, again you are going to find the length of the belt will be around 13.11 meters. So there is a change is there between the open belt drive and the cross belt drive. So we know the cross belt drive requires more belt compared to the open belt one. Let's substitute it or subtract it. So you are going to get these two as 0. This is 1 and this is 2. So it means we need 0.02 meters of extra length to convert the cross belt to open belt in order to change the direction of the pulley. Let's consider one more problem on the belt drive. The sum of diameters of two pulleys A and B connected by a belt is 900 mm. If the run at 700 rpm and 1400 rpm respectively, determine the diameter of the each pulley. So here is a very simple problem is there. Again, let's see. So what data is given for us? From there, how can we calculate the things? So the data given here is the sum of the diameters on the pulley A and the pulley B together, it is 900 mm. And it is also given the N1 is equal to 700 rpm, and whereas N2 is equal to 1400 rpm. So we know what you mean by the velocity ratio. So which is nothing but N1 by N2. So which is equal to, in this case it is NA by NB, which is equal to dB by dA. So it is 700 divided by 1400, which is equal to dB by dA. This will be 7, 1 by 2. So hence now this dA will become twice the dB. Let's say that this is the equation number 1. We know dA plus dB diameter together it is 900. Let's substitute the value for dA, that is twice the dB plus dB, which is equal to 900, which comes out to be 3 dB is equal to 900. So diameter of the B pulley is 900 divided by 3, that is which is equal to 300 mm. Now we can calculate the diameter of A, that is nothing but twice the dB, so which is equal to 600 mm. In this way you can solve the numericals on belt drive. Thank you for watching this video.